In the last episode, we talked about how to make tangyuan, sweet rice dumplings. Today, we're going to make a variation of the rice dumpling and we'll turn it into a sweet dessert soup. That is, 酒酿圆子. Mini rice balls with sweet rice wine. It's aromatic, warming, sweet, and very delicious. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients. We're going to make the glutinous rice balls from scratch, but you can also use the ready-made ones. First step is to make the rice balls. Mix the glutinous rice flour with water, roll it into a dough. Then flatten the dough and slice it in a cross-hatch pattern to cut it into smaller pieces. Roll them into little balls. You can also blend in matcha powder or cocoa powder to make different colored and flavored rice balls. Cover rice balls with glutinous rice flour once done, so they won't stick to one another. You can also store them in the freezer for later use. Moving on to step 2, prepare the ingredients. Peel the apples and cut them into bite-sized pieces. You can also add in other fruits such as mandarins or kiwi fruits. And beat the eggs. Now we've got all the ingredients ready, we can start making the sweet soup. Add around 2-liter water in a pot, bring it to boil. Then pour in the rice balls. Let it cook for about 5 minutes until it starts to float. Then slowly add in some lotus root starch to make the soup thicker. It also brings some natural sweetness and fragrance of the lotus roots into the soup. As you can see, with the density of the soup increases, rice balls are no longer floating on the surface, rather more evenly spread all over the soup. Bring the soup to boil again. Then use chopsticks, stir the soup in one direction to make it flow. Slowly pour in the beaten eggs, and many pretty egg drops will instantly form in the soup. Add in apple cubes and goji berries. Let them cook for 2 minutes and turn off the heat. Add in the sweet rice wine in the end so that it wouldn't evaporate and we can best preserve the fragrance of the wine. Blend them well. And our soup is ready to be served. Scoop some soup and pour it into a bowl. Garnish with some dried Osmanthus flowers and enjoy. We didn't add any sugar, but the soup is full of natural sweetness. Mini rice balls are soft and stretchy. Lotus root starch is gooey and soothing, and goji berries add some raisin-like texture. Egg drops are smooth, apple cubes bring some fruity scent to the soup, while the sweet rice wine adds some nice fermented wine aroma, all of which will bring some warmth and comfort in the cold winter. Hope you enjoy the simple and tasty mini rice balls with sweet rice wine. Stay tuned for more recipes like this.